Hello, my amazing people. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. It depends on where una dey see our video from. I greet everybody according to una time. My people, we don't carry another tori. What come again? No be small matter dey happen for inside Facebook, my people. We don't carry
Good
this
evening,
lady when they call
everybody.
Queen, where she for message to
How una dey, my
Iyore
people?
and Rita. My people, this lady
Guys,
scatter the remaining table leg when we suffer be the
may una
marry.
fall
She
out
scatter the
to
table leg. My people, I go like to leave
may I
una
go
make
share
una
this
watch this
video.
video where she for talk
May I
about
go share,
Iyore
may I go share.
husband.
Only my
Say
ear no
Iyore
fit
say
hear
she no
this
dey
one.
cook. Over 10
Only
years
my
now, she
ear
never
cannot
enter
fit
kitchen
hear
cook.
this one.
Say na her husband,
Good
Igbo
evening,
man, na dey cook
everybody.
for
How you
her. My
guys
people, una
doing?
when get love, God bless una.
Please
Oh,
join
may
and
we will
share
never
and love
get, may
and
we dey
like.
gbadura, dey wait. My amazing people,
But
I
let
like to
me
leave una
join
make una
this
watch the
video,
video.
give
Page
and
no
love
fit
and
like and
like
share
and
the video.
share.
And
So
also drop
guys,
your
before
opinion.
we go start,
Subscribe to
yeah?
support our channel. God bless you
May I
all.
see my
Bye
please
bye.
this one
Make
share
leave
my
una make una
video.
watch.
Mona also help me share abeg. So my people, before we go start this video, I say my tell una, as you can see, I don't change my page name. Okay? I don't change my page name. So for those of una like the who here, I don't know as I want to put them. Who here? Go tell who never hear. May tell who no hear. Say I don't change my page name. Okay, guys? So in case anybody they search my page, anybody they search my page, anybody they find my page, so you can easily just type VIP Queen Talk, just VIP Queen, no more Queen Talk Show. Yeah, no more Queen Talk Show. It's the same person, it's the same energy, but different name, guys. I changed the name due to personal reasons, okay? Maybe with time I fit share with una, okay? If una want hear, maybe with time I go share the reason with una. So make some of una no vex. I know say some of una go still like this name, or some of una feel say, oh Queen, you supposed to change it like this, you supposed to put it like this. Please and please, guys, I have my reason of using this particular name. Okay, I get my reason. Maybe with time, maybe with time, I feel choose to change, or I feel choose not to change them. So mona bear the name with me. Also, mona help me share them out so that people go know say we are here. So meanwhile, guys, this una sister, na una sister, oh. This una sister, she do video, yeah, she do video. Now I know say after Ashema disgrace explode, a lot of people were like, ho. Now so this woman be. So this woman not just get character, she not get shame. She can't disgrace her husband. Thanks for joining Mama Okiro Edos. Thanks for joining. That's our one and only boss lady. Onyo Ijo Waron Mawagbon. Every other one is a minus A plus, any other one is a plus. So my amazing people, Ovigbo side chick, she do video. No say when I war. According to that video when I see, I know say she be one just here. I know say she be one just waka small, but she no con know when she con say a disgrace in a word okpo. Now they get me. She no know when her disgrace con explode. Even me, when I watched the video, I was like, what? Mona con hear confession. You know, say if Percy don't too lie, they will come dey add lie, they join lie. They will come dey add lie, they join lie. You come be like say the lie they increase every blessed day. If una listen to this video, what I want play for una so, anything where you need to know about Ijore with Origbo relationship, the reason why Origbo not marry her, the reason why the relationship not go front and back, the reason the relationship hang for road, like the reason the relationship leg not touch ground. So if you want to know, join this video and come and listen to Ijore. She thinks say, because you know say if person don't to talk many things wey don't make sense, wey not follow, she can't try to use lie take cover the shame and disgrace wey enter her body. My people, in that process, in short, in that process, she can't expose herself. And she also give advice to Benin men. May una come listen to advice where she go give, where she for her mind she dey give to Benin men. What do damn advice? Or na give your word or there. Mona just remove mind. People will be one chop price. Hey man, thanks for joining Mama Chelsea. Thanks for joining. Also, I say please follow this place. Thank you, Sas, my darling. Thank you. So my message people, make una consider the reason why our members not the day husband. So the reason why she know the agree make them marry. Make una come listen. Man just the play. I may not be like saying I'm talking. Man they play. I don't say these days they play the show. Agiwa anything with evidence.
Because my right you my right you I may be planning no game for one or when me you book kind.
Now make una understand this beginning, guys. This beginning where she dey talk, so she was talking to Frank. Now Frank she dey beat for here, and she come dey also saga Mama Kevin. Now no say Frank go beat her for you too. So since then she dey para, she dey anywhere she see opportunity to take give Frank woto. She dey give Frank woto. So this video she dey give Frank. She constantly expose herself, and she can also let people know the reason why she never married. So Mona listen to wetin she come dey talk. Mona listen o.
My right you if I va be if we have me, no me go dogero, no I go ayo bokaro. Because my right you my right you I may be planning no game for one or when me you bokai. Unless mama only pick the call when me want to you betty or we or to take when we phone when mom will be la way. When you ever words I mean on your marriage, on your relationship. Wa like you believe.
Okay. Oh.
Uga mare ebo nebo. Apagiri ebo. Why we marriage giri marriage or iri 7 ya. Be wano boom. We ome bone kebe we alungare kebe. A marriage black woge bo ba. Wa many waru we bed ne boy ti le bo wa le ba wuko no le for no ma me table. O ma no ma me ya u yare ba we table wa. Ole ni mi e wo de bonijo. E ka doge mogwe. E ka de bu modaji. I awa pene on the second mo kamio. I go no ri come iri ewu we.
Mona dey listen.
Okay, black so I ain't coding. Meti maro biani here I ain't coded account okay. E matter what I'm going well, if you bene or make marriage no need.
My people, this beginning say relationship, our relationship. Thanks for joining Aquaman. Thanks for joining Mama Osano Masebra. My people, una see say these are the reason why these people they envy Queen Ritoto. This not the reason when these people they jealous Queen Rita for this full media. Una they see that kokobi when they shout for this social media. Now waiting they find be that oh. Because now only Kokobiri now go give you a phone, give you a password, give you in bank details, give you everything givable, even build that for you for your country. Now Kokobiri they do. Igbo man cannot do this for you. Now this one we even they thought say we go soon, we'll do go soon chop this one marriage rice. Oh yeah, back me say marriage here will burn my people. Right time with the one they Kokobiri up register na muna. Oh now you like what on here because she won't come talk. She said because of say she don't experience Oyibo, which is Oyibo Kokobiri marriage, say that one she go sit down for bed, they smoke. The Kokobiri go come give her food for bed, everything. They give her money. Thanks for joining Mama Johnson. Thanks for joining Mama Mary. When they list you, when they go somewhere, I might swear, but I they tell una say, I just want to tell una this place say, make una listen to Iyore prayer points. Make una listen to the type of man where Iyore say she wants. And if you listen well, you go even know say Iyore is not proud of Igbo man. Oh, they are not hearing me. If you listen well, you go hear say Iyore not even they proud with Igbo man. She talk many things, my people. This was a troll life confession. Any here ya do it talking. Iye wasi ekpo pa ya de TikTok. Iye ya do ziba do. You need to sit there for Tito. Ew. Thank you, Mama Johnson. That's my personal person. Thanks for joining. Yenogi. Wanna listen?
That one are your opinion. Make I talk my own. Go make
Make on the best.
Everybody long ame go me go.
You see?
Me team le lokbia.
Nah. Mona no vessel. We never start to. But Mona see what she used to do. Another man again. Imagine say that man now get wife. The man they talk. Iyore still shut that man up. Una get what they try to talk. Una know say na this same thing. Now she do to her husband. When shame and disgrace pour for her head. For this social media. Nah, she's doing it to another Edo man. Automatically, this woman is not even proud of any Nigerian man. Because when man go they talk, woman go shut man up. While una not like you said the way they shut the man up, say, Gume. I wish that man and my husband. The reason he call your platform, he go explain to me. Because if he no explain to me, I go start to dey talk to him the way you take talk to him. My people, mona listen you, mona dey listen you. We are going so well. This many for this video. I said laugh go pa una today. But maybe I may swear mona say
this. Okay. I pay on the second mo cameo.
Thanks for joining.
You gonna really come here.
Guys, I bet more forget to love and like.
But okay, black is so I ain't coding. Meti maro biani here I ain't coded account okay. E ma ta wata mo go we o ga ifie ogbene o me gbe marriage no ge niti. E ma ta mo go na. That one are your opinion. Make I talk my own go meta fo. I go meta fo pa. Everybody lo ma me go me go.
You see?
Meti le lokbia.
On that one you mean?
Nege akwani e code na yari go be bank. No ya ro very imana no ya ro very better no marry. Imana me code okay imana beg go no receive it every month.
Okay.
Okay can it dey away any go no receive a card okay ado but me go marry me die at least ya me right you but see area supermarket e go no re card okay me. Yeah we chopping even me we marriage but tamuwana. Ebo okmo ayon ne odo vi ogun ebe keni to tie ukmo mo ayon ya se gbe pint mo ayon ne ewo so mo no give me gbe marriage ni ne we no do la marriage you say ono do la marriage nu go pa na mi so ewo I can like boy no riri maro I down ebe na okon ne mata bu jore me karata I make I me karata be me ti le gbo ma buwa iye mi ni like imi agbon ye me believe we no time we jore me karata wa me boy we me ona oku we paradise po we son ye de The work man am like a marriage or me the right person.
My people, if you know here a town or not loud, the reason why all this talk now, the reason why she got they talk now, they complain, they nag now. Now simple thing where we tell Origbo say, Origbo, you go and marry this woman. Origbo, go marry this woman. 40 years of boyfriend and girlfriend, you don't both follow everywhere. Money you no put for her head. A marriage Ijore mami, Ijore don't old finish under Origbo roof. Origbo no put money for her head. Now we talk oh. Now she is now replying to us saying, she no fit marry useless man. Man wey be say e no go dey give her envelope dey look. Man wey no go dey pack all the money they give her. Man wey no go dey respect her. Man wey no go dey wash her pint. I dey come, I'll call list her rule just now. Things where she say she want for men. We go write her down. Maybe we go and join her head. Maybe we put husband wanted. Maybe somebody they will get interest. Mona hear everything where she say she need from man. And she also talk her for the same video say, Origbo no get those things. She talk and say, Origbo no get those things. Jore.
No, when I'm a phone, well, I Maria. No, what women I password where I am Maria. No one has said, no, my look, there are travel or second or J or second or your can or cackle. But many of them after 3 days, we can call over.
Thank you, Mama Chess.
Baby, your market now. I invite you with any place who can take a permission and we go okay, here. Well, here we go, I will go away there away. I back up tell me, cook, they love me. I want to what I'm one. Marriage you. Woman, I am a woman, no organ, no make it down. When make it that day, you may make it down that way. You know, we marriage. At the matter might be. Very tired and I need boost so we were. Meti on Biani medio bocan fonge. Yet on Bianima and you go no me salary. Do one man I know why you go. Open your eye. Why the majority would they done what? A brother marriage Jima, oh, why are Deji radio? Oh, come right, no, ya come up, no stop, no stop it. Everything on you. Wait, it's a complaint, your complaint.
This comments. This comment I want you laugh take him yo. He say Ijore see wetin somebody they advise you. She say your age don't go. You don't pass the type where they select. Now this age that you want to find my way want to wash your pants. At the age of 40 something, almost 46. At the age of 46, Ijore they find man. Now they find man where she go they press the man phone. She go sit down for bed. The man go wash her pants, wash her clothes, wash her everything best spread. The man go and can't give her on top of bed. The man go cook. The man go do this one. The man go do that one. And the man go still they work. They bring money they come. Because now the man go they work, they bring the money they come now. So that the man go they give her card also, the bank card. And now the man go they wash clothes. Now the man go they wash pants. Somebody's available, my people. But we're not there available. She's 46 years old. Or need a serious marriage. In short, now all of us, we the adults, we go carry, now we won't carry and give man. Now we want Jackie Ijore give man. We go even kneel down, beg the man also. May carry and go palace, go do the needful. From there, we go also beg the man, may marry Ijore. Because what he already find, he know the markets. Now all these things she they teach her members where make all those ones know they if they want marry, you just say one advise them. I beg you make me laugh. Not be smart you. If they want marry, you go say one advise them. People where we don't fix marriage date, immediately they hear your advice. Marriage don't cancel my people. Not be be this one, not be say because they talk for social media. The advice which you all they give, and you all they talk so. Man, when they go work, go come, they wash your pints. Thanks for joining Mama Sharon. Ijo de kia. Man, when they go work, go come, they wash your pints. They fall down, they cook, they do everything they give you for bed. They wait till you go come, they do as a woman. You will sit down, they smoke Morocco on top of bed because they never see you before. Bekus, when you do stay on rest. Thank you, Mama, for the star. Who the Zuzu. You see, I don't collect star for your hair. That market. Thank you, Mama Okiro Edos, for the star. Really appreciate. Ijo rekia. Bekus, when you don't take carry back 000, you don't use that your bekus. They go to marriage. To marriage. Let's assume say those marriage now where you go. Maybe na 7 years you stay. No, Oibo you stay 10 years. The other one you see stay like 7 years. And then they knock you. 7 plus stay 17. Ovigbo 14. Calculate them together. Usually how many years be that? Bekus when they use almost 30 years, they knock. Hey, Bekus yerewa yore. Waiting man want wash pants put. Waiting man want call the wash pants put. Yore. Bekus when white don't they. Nama will come they. Nama want call the wash pants put. Uma bivie vama bivie ha uma bobo ma bowe. You want sit down for bed. Maybe I call they wash your panty. So now waiting you want on a doormat to be that. You see your life. No wonder. No wonder you know see you carry you. Thanks for joining my lady. I felt talk and say you no good. I felt and looking at your face. I know say you no get character. Me were there. Not be say only me. We were with most of some women were there this social media. We forget say with the craze, with they do our gigi in our live video yo now for end. Now for end. Once we off this live video now. Even me to even talk if I would talk to person where now you know the year where they talk because I know if they raise my voice. Now you sure say need man she'll sit down for bed, she'll pull leg like this. The man will come, they wash her pants. She never start to. Every bononi di. Hi. At the age of 46.
All the ribu they were.
46.
Oh, me Mary or no, we can't charge you. May send or you.
Okay. Well, I'm sure.
Oh, a bodyguard you.
You get where make me laugh when you say.
No, yeah, everything about you. So that if no
educated man, she dey wait for. Okay. She goes here. By the time she gets thank you, Mama, for the star. Mama Okiro Edos. Thank you for the star. God bless you. Thank you. I really appreciate. Thank you, Mama. Mona, they list you.
You may take this message where
you're the nice one.
And I know what I'm saying. Imare obietoni. Imare blackine. Imare.
Guys, una de here. Una remember say I tell una say, Injure don't fair marry Binima. How many of una remember when I talk that word? This will not be said normal. Then go do marriage. Then go do marriage. Ask me, say, where the people where go that your marriage? Iyare motos. On our me accident there. Go there. Those people, they from Lagos. They go Benin for then they go your marriage. They from Benin, they Lagos to Benin. My people, now so moto take sombo. This I know say you sabi. No need for me to tell you say me you can't swear. Because if after all the lie where you put for Kurita head, you can't see the swear on top. Ijore. Moto kon tombo. Full moto of full iyare moto. Eyana, all of them, who break hand, who break leg, who break waist. If not be this confession, we enter her body for this video. You don't ever tell her before say she was once married to Binima. Now me tell her say, you say Binime too good, Binime are the best, you are looking for Binime. Ask her say, why you leave the one where you marry? When they pursue you from the Binima where you marry, I told you guys, una know say this is my platform. Why worry the young shall grow? Now go so they call this platform. Wetin anything I talk, you know the loss. Everybody will go that marriage, especially the ones where you're from Jant, they go. Ni bon bona bon ni bon we na bon we no be small kasala boss, my people. Usually you feel where you are. She was forced to return the bride price. Who be the man where she feel where you are with Origbo? Origbo. Your story, sir. They here. This fake prophetess. Our history they here. If I talk you know say me. If I talk something throw away face. Me una here now where she they confirm and say she was once married to a doma. Now that one be now that one go pay a bride price. Where you have a motto, now almost everybody nearly buy. So buy you almost everybody nearly buy. Mona listen, I cannot go back. This woman, you done a ballot in the no be here. No be here. Mona listen.
Oh, Comerati, no, ya tamo, no stop, no stop everything of Bego.
Guys, love and like and share.
Where is a complaint? Your complaint, all the reboot they were. Oh, me and any honor will can't charge your man send on you. Oh, what can wear a bodyguard you. Your car beg a make it soon dawa. Who got a chance in it?
That's Mama.
We are everything about you.
Mama Fake, thanks for joining.
No, oh, we're not tight. Oh, what baby say? Oh, what did mina? I'm an piece of minoja. You may take this message where I know what I'm saying. Imare obietoni, imare blackine, imare white.
How many of you are here? How many of you are here? 3 men, my people. Now you already don't marry. Who are those 3 men? 1 Edo man. 1 Ghana man where she build house give. No more Wale. And Oibo Papa guy. No do mukeki. Una de here. This is a true life confession. A lot of things say this video. Una go know how this woman. They know who I say. This will not be say a coin they talk. She's confirming this with her mouth by herself. This one not be says she do saga. She was explaining her life to people. Because people they laugh and say, why you never marry? This one way don't got very good marriage. Or mamie mi rock barriere. And they me rubber back. Yore mamie rere. And miso figbon. Or mamie zere. Agbon mama jore. Very good marriage. And this one will come the last person say, you fair marry this one, you come marry this one. Now this one go the last person say, you marry 2 husbands. Now this one go the last person say, you be single mother, you born black, you come born white. This one, if not be because of say, God decided not to smile on this Iyore might say no woman. Since na 3 marriage, at least you get 3 children from 3 different men. Or 3 different nations. You don't marry 3 husbands. Not be say husband of say, these ones, they do something for her head. They do something for her head. That Benima go gonna down. I know say yes, that one I put money for her head. On her head. May she can't talk with it separation and the Benima. Only the war. May she can't talk. Waiting separate she and the Benima. Una no hear when she did that time where she did lie on top of Kurita head say, he go ask Kurita, he got the Kurita say, you dey go Nigeria, you want go marry her? Kurita go say yes, he want go marry her husband. He say no, why you go marry her? Why you not marry Benin person? She can't even address herself. Say if not be small thing, na Benima. Now she for marry. Based on she dey address Igbo man now as her husband. Una go also hear where she talking for this video say Igbo man 2 of them not fit marry. Guys, I be more I love and like and share this video. Una dey hear me so, my people. Make una come ask Ijore, the Benin man wey he put money for her head, where the Benin man? She dey always dey talk, say if not be condition, na Benin man she for marry. If not that time, make the thing for be like say you understand. Make people call the answer say you say you like Benin man, why you not come marry Benin man? But I don't know as I want to talk. Ijore was once married to Edo man. Ezagazaga who la diavene marriage. Ezagazaga Ijore ya si le roba bag la diavene marriage ni. Not be say should bear mama fry. Now they hear life. Today go dance, go here. Tomorrow go. But me go. I don't even know say that this kind of person. Let me just they follow the like I don't even know. Ogion bad dama. I don't know. You can come on. And we rest now prayer. Oh, she don't man marry this one. Not even a doma. Woman where Igboma feel reject. Woman where Igboma feel reject. Am I swag bay? Mona listen. Ew. So Mona listen.
Oh, then already what you almost said me, or any me, or where me. It's stress hero. For good 10 years. Imagine I ain't boni marry. You to boy live and you lay on TV. Maybe are you? On a women go no wow.
My people, she with Igboma don't day for 14 years, according to her. She with Oyibo don't day for good 10 years. Una dey say na match she dey talk so. So automatically, she dey knock the two of them together. This woman say she no go fit wash pants. She no go her pants sef, she no go fit wash. Doctor so say she want wash man pants. The marriage where she also did, she get side bola. Which Edo man want marry this one now we go come get side bola? Which Edo man go marry Ijore? Woman wait there with Oyibo for 10 years. He can't deal with Daki for 14 years. Let's minus the first Benin man where she just married. No fair, you minus that one. Because she don't already date Oyibo. At the same time, she date Oyibo. She dey live with Oyibo for house. She go tell Oyibo say she dey go market. Yoruba dey knack Oyibo. The reason why that one not gree marry her. She do a lot of shit with Oyibo. 15 years. Last year was 14. Okay, thank you, Mama Gloria. Now they see Mama 15 years. Ijore no only they cheat on Igbo man, Oyibo. When that Oyibo buy, because she with Oyibo dey 14 years till now, they still dey. She with Oyibo dey. Oyibo marry her for France there. Oyibo come buy. Ijore come wear Igbo man suit. Igbo man wear suit. He with Ijore, they can't go put Oyibo man for ground. They can't go put Oyibo man, her own husband, for ground. She continue to the knock the Igbo man. She come pack, come out for the Oyibo man house. Because she with the Oyibo they live together. She come pack, come out for that one house. She can't go Oyibo house. When she can't reach Oyibo house, she come see and say, no be as it be with Oyibo. No be so it be with Igbo. All the nonsense where Oyibo they take from, you know, say Oyibo they wash her pants. 10 years, she not cook. Man, where marry you. You not even use your brain. One day, say, okay, this their food. Let me learn how to cook it. May you go meet their people. Learn, me go with them. May they teach you how to cook them. At least, even if say the man not agree, you surprise them. Oyibo they like surprises. This woman not do. She was busy cooking bitter leaf soup with different meats with Oyibo. She and Oyibo can they enjoy. Oyibo go wash pint where Ijore go carry that pint. Take go knack Oyibo. They're supposed to throw this woman out of this media. Because I don't know why people, they look this. I don't know why people see they use good hand and they carry this woman's story. They're supposed to throw away this woman, come out from media. Not be joke. This one not be say evil saga. Because this woman's story, it just irritates me. I don't know. I don't know if they do that for body. This person is supposed to not come out from media. Because this one now bad teacher to all women. This woman now bad teacher to all women. Food wey oyibo go cook, iyore go carry am. Oyibo marry her. Oyibo marry. This one not be saying they live with oyibo now. Boyfriend and girlfriend, oyibo no. Oyibo marry this woman. Food wey oyibo go cook for her, she go carry am go give oyibo wey beside Bola. That kind thing good. That kind thing good. Now, she also said that Oyibo, they wash her pants all those years, wash her clothes all those years, everything, all those clothes where Oyibo still wash for you, fold your clothes, wash your pants. You go wear that same pants and that cloth. You use and take go knock Oyibo Bola. You see the reason why God punish you. You yourself, you know the pity for yourself because you know, say, you deserve all the punishment where God give you. You deserve her. You even deserve more. You see the way God can't use the but when you put for head, now God can't use to punish you. Look at your life now. You be like river where not the floats. But not get what you want you to do. You see your life now. You are see, may way they carry their wife, they need you, make you the advice. I don't know. Maybe now hungry they beat them anyway. We send a cast.
See, when I buy the restaurants, and they have the restaurants, can't even. Imagine go me pay. So what I when the marriage you already no food like berry.
Now, my people, I want to talk another thing. This woman now is Jorekia So. She was married for 10 years. She no enter kitchen one day. Cook for her husband. And she get restaurants. But you see the reason why if Oyibo even see black people now, you even be like, say, I wish Oyibo abuse people do money. Therefore, don't they use our black women till they do money. You see the reason why Oyibo did not they favor black women again. This woman get restaurants. She they go they cook they say. But the man where she deal with for house, she never cook for her for almost 10 years. Now this one consider the thought of Queen Rita where they are marriage. She can't even go post the goosey soup comments. Queen Rita where be say she they cook steady for her family. You will never cook for your man for 10 good years. You never cook for your husband. Then you can't go snap Queen Rita pot, bring comments. This piece make me laugh. Yes, because she just open eye. You know, say, person where they say they two get sense. You don't get one single sense. Now this picture what they use for her. Now they get me. She see woman where they always cook for her family. She got quick post picture. She got post 2 different egusi soup picture where they use oil and tape plaster. What you want to pepper Queen Rita. But you just use your mouth now talk say you never enter kitchen cook for your husband for 10 good years. So we're supposed to clap for you now as you talk. No. Tuowa. Uzua. Ufo. Amakoko we. Usakan. In short, unyime weto wiya. Amakoku we. Ashawo wa muweri ya jore. Ashawo wa muweri ya. My people, I saw na go hear this for this video. Una go shock.
The opportunity ni ko.
Una listen.
Ube right no ya yokweva. Ube me right no ya friend go be by girlfriend we.
Una listen.
Ube me right. Mekwe be rima, mekwe.
How many of una hear that place? My first drink water first. That place sweets me. I know say me. But she dey cook for the Igbo boyfriend. And now we dey talk so now. Not be with the talk so. Una not yet the one where she talk last. Let me take it back. Mona Lisa where. I want Mona Lisa where before we go talk about that place. Mona Lisa to wait till she dey talk.
For good 10 years. Imalera ene boni mari. Yon to boy leba yon le oti me maybe ayo. Iri ona women go no wa. The only thing where Agbaje restaurants, had the restaurants, can't even imagine go me pay. So when the marriage you ore, no food like berry, who got the opportunity ni ko. Who may write in wire your quiver, who may write in wire friend go away by girlfriend you way.
I beg, how many women we go they carry? Somebody should comment it on the comment section. May not be like I talk to myself. Now, only we go there before I go answer this woman. Because onuna or me bipolar no kuani. Now most what she dey fit and yes na. How many woman Igbo man marry? Ijore kia safe that they friend her. I friend di bayi. Ariyo wo bayi. Wait 46 years, you're way. Calm down, may my pity you put for house. Oh, we are knowing you well by now. Is a pity. Now pity mind, the man te marry you. Ijore, man we go marry you now. The man pity you. Baby, don't look your eye bob saying. Make this our adult person, not yours go like that. Now pity my man go take put you for house. Now you want come blush. Now you want do gay. 46 years. Okay, somebody said okay. He said boy Igbo man, boy. He said Igbo boyfriend. But she give Igbo boyfriend all her money. Now we dey talk so now. She don't reach 46. Yeah, she's 46, 42. 46, 42, 40, 44. Yeah, she not person tell me say from 42. Yeah. 42 never would. All this relationship now where she don't do now, make pele momina. Now many years it take do one 14 years, one 10 years. If you marry or another one, you yourself go down they go 56. For not say that they cut come up for age where you they go down they go 56. Now my people, you just say man no go fit cheat on her, man no fit carry a woman on top of her, man no fit do this one, man no fit do that one. But you already there with Igbo man. She don't already they date Igbo man. Igbo man go bring woman come. The woman come start to the born for Igbo man. Ijore still date here. Under Ijore nose. Till tomorrow, Igbo man get different baby mama. Yes, the story are all over the places. Igbo man get different baby mama. Useless Ijore go online video. Odogun, ma odogun, ma odogun. You not leave your odogun. You see the way this woman they advise people. Women out there, you just need to be very careful with this person. Olona me bipolar disorder ne. E don't know my gba. If una go they take waiting, she they take talk serious. It go pay me. Una dey hear wetin this woman they talk. Abuna no hear wetin she they talk. She dey advise, she dey spoil other women. So women when she dey advise now, advance sort and saga ministry now. She be the one where her husband not go dey wash her pint. She go dey fight her husband. Because some women not sabi use ear to listen something. Make the reason digest her. Throw away the one way they will throw away. pick the one where they'll pick. So women be like goats. If they just hear, they'll just and they go. They'll just and they go. Now that thing where they hear, so now they will come they do something. Before you know, they'll begin to fight with their husband. Before you know, they'll begin to keep mileage with their husband. The man said, we'll go to say, baby, we'll go now. Matter baby, boy, come back. They don't know, say she don't go use ear. Pick something from this. Oh, no, this one will be like wood where they carve so. Oh, no, what carve? I mean, this one. Una the year waiting she they teach people. Una they listen. She they take ma take them back. Me no be like saying me they talk. But this same woman there with man where don't born. Different woman they born for the man. She they call the man our odogu. It not even be said the man don't go born before the man know her. No, the man don't already know her. She even though Oyibo has they cheat on Oyibo, they cheat on the man, they cheat on themselves. The man they born they go. And now she's advising a dog women say, no man fit try and they with her. Go get children, they born for outside. I be this
women right. My query.
Wait. Mona listen.
Oh, then already what you almost said me, or regbe, or wherever. It's stress here.
Guys, I bet Mona me turns up, I bet Mona love her.
For good 10 years. Imale ene boni mari. Yon to boy le ba yon le oti me maybe ayo. Iri ona women go no wa na. The only thing where agbaje restaurants, and they have a restaurants can't even imagine go me page. So waga e when the marriage bi ore no fu wa gbere. O wa gari opportunity ni ko. Ube right no ya yo kweva. Ube me right no ya friend go be by girlfriend we. Ube me right. My query rima mekwe. Ime wa free we book me ya. Or gwen bi agun. Yeah.
You're the winning kwe. You're the winning kwe. My people, you're the say she not go agree. I be mad they use English. My people, this story no shock now. This woman, she's a side chick to a married man with children. Now she dey advise innocent women. Say it is very wrong for a woman to be, in short, to be dating a man with kids. And as so-called Odogu, Igbo man, where would they talk? Since all of us they talk Igbo man, they only hear their zero, we don't even know. Igbo man get children. Women don't born for Igbo man. And you still did the relationship. She not leave the man. But she dey advise other women now. Make them not follow my way, don't born. If their husband don't born for us, make them leave the man. If you then I saw you be. Now this is why they advise people since. Who go they wash pants and who go they cook for you? Hey.
Or happy, maybe I happy.
Mona, they listen.
It is why I need the marriage. So I go where talk or I go but my wife do it bonny, even me out. He go on that for me. Up by the begging nakedness of a guone. I don't want the man like it almost to stop anoni by fire by thunder. Yeah. Because you met where to do I wear one moon one your dog we are with Betty. Why are you on why I fear kind? Well, I love you, maybe you will not stop it. You man stop it, you can way. Go straight up here. You have a straight up 50-50. But how that I will.
We are complain, you know, be out. A Morocco, we see, we got 1 year. Because we see a Morocco. Not see anybody won't tell me. Till tomorrow, when you see Morocco, Yuri. You don't we have one young was here. Just like that. Matter. Only we no see Morocco now. We go see Morocco. We go lele we go man say we are. Ebo man su we are. O we don't kwe we ya mu go iwo hu. Aye ga ni we wa bole Morocco. He say na Frank she dey talk to so. You know, so na so she dey use it direct, they find trouble. Now so she dey use it direct. When you conquer head, now you go say, he not do anything, oh. He not do anything, oh. He not do anything, oh. They use it direct, they saga Frank. Tomorrow they go come out. Baba where they smart be waiting, they call Frank safe. Umenwe. Now the umenwe, so now they use it direct now. They bulala. They bulala umenwe at the same time. They tell her, say she no go fit marry Igbo man. Because Igbo man not get the kind quality where she wants. When I go here where she talk, she confirm about herself. She even told say she not go marry for life. They marry out a jollof rice.
Women no time. Area where do majina we bo majina wa gale le lo ebu.
Okay.
O pe amoko pepepe. O pe ari ogogo no ku. Oga we na oda fun me ma onu joe ugele joe. Ida ya we webu.
Boaba.
Oga we na oda fun me Madonna he ya degun o ya degi. O pe our respect oku. O ko we respect oku ya. But there are many home no respect. Uga ipuanya the way mabege no ma respect oda fun why even at respect. Because he gwan you right me on ma respect oda fun me. Wa we ma wa gbaje a marriage origine ni mejo do. E ka marry ebuni. E ile ga I marry we nenemi I me outing na ye divorce.
Iyore, you are useless. For you to even open your mouth and say, you don't fair marry Igbo, everybody know you. Up till now, you never divorce. But you were knocking of Igbo Bola. Iyore, you were knocking of Igbo Bola all these years. You see and I say, you they use your frustration. They insult innocent people marriage. Akba bobo original no my lady utane mama Chelsea. Ew. Ijuri. So people happiness. All those women now where you they see. Queen return to marriage now where won't pay you so now. No see a fire web. You see the way create a marriage disgrace your life. I also we are more Igbo lads and Igbo come out. Igbo was terrifying when he high. Facebook, sorry for that. Somebody said Jesus, really? Now, yes, now. Up till today, Iyore is still married. This one are the same Iyore. Way back with our own marriage paper, everything. Everybody even know. If you no get shame, Iyore, can't you respect that man? You love the man, now you marry him. Marriage now for better, for worse. If you no fit stay with Oyibo, Iyore, you no go fit stay with Blackie. Runda, eni no mo gwe wa oya soe. If you no fit stay with Oyibo, if you no fit dey faithful to Oyibo, you can never be faithful to black man. Even if na Idoma, you no go fit. Because you stay with Oyibo 10 good years, you were cheating on him. 10 years, pikin don dey drive car. So automatically, that character don't dey inside you. He don't master you. You know all the trick where woman take dey sleep around. Because you learn her from your Oyibo marriage. You know all the issues. Why can't be saying that all the character where they throw away for life? Now you can't gather hold for hand, say you get something. Why? Tifo na your hand today. Ashawo na your hand today. Oyoba na your hand today. Agan na your hand today. Sorry for that Agan shawo, but na your hand today. Ijore. How you won't work? How you won't do your life now? You see the 3 heavy things where dey your life. It too dey powerful. I know say you no go see you go tell you this thing. Umio wa no eti temata na ma where you re. Now we go tell you. Competition, I wish you know. You for not put out for competition. Because you know you were not living original life. You know they live better life. You already see your life. My people, more continue, more listen. Many stories deal.
Let's see, marry because of women. So I know what is marriage. Any marriage in Ijo, a queen walking river, Opiana wa mume pepe.
We no swobu. We agba shawo we ya. And when you have bastards. Oh, yeah, me we pepe. Unyiwe we no biama.
As well, woman depends in that. Maybe no be 1,000 euro. He said no be 500 euro. No me we was here because he want egg baby.
Aso.
But I ye ko boy edi me yari.
Ijore.
Again.
Ijore. This is the reason why they talk and say, if some women don't get money, they're not the feel married again for life. This is the reason. Ijore. Woman no they ask man money, no me say you love the man, or the man never see your type before. Uwe gwan ozuo, we gi gwan zuo yori. You give man money, abi okay. You be the type. Let me understand you. Okay, you be the type where they give man money, which not be only you they do. All women they do. But you just need to be careful. And if they give your husband money, nobody pay you. You they get me? Now you as Ashawo where you be, you deflect. So you go knock Oibo, or and definitely you go see for another. What does your Papa Jiro? You go knock all those ones now. After you don't knock them, you go bring the money, come give your husband. Or you go even they use the money to they cook for your husband. So because of that one, you go say make the man they wash your pints, make they cook for you. You go they look you, they go outside. May I tell you, Yori? May I give you this advice? You know why they advise you? Because I really want may you marry. May you see the other side of life. You they get me? Let me advise you, Yori. You see those times when you can't do a shower for Europe. Like 10 years ago, all those 10, by yourself from 10 years ago, you see all those time where you can't do a shower, so where they say men know they walk, where men they day inside house, send a woman I they feed them, not with that regime with this, so could be like saying that mentality of that time, nice day your head. When men they day inside house, they wash pints, they do this. Though my people, I don't see her with my ayo. Now story where they tell us as soon as 2017 we enter. Now story where they tell us say those days ago, those time ago, they men day like that, where they wash pints, they do why they collect money from women. They say those type of men, now be shintro. Now, Ijore, I know say now what your people they do you so. The reason why we they cry for people now say make he leave you. We even want me leave you because he know they help your life. Or we know they help you. Or we just they collect money from you. They leave you, make you they live life where no make sense. Time they go, Yori. Time they go. All this character where you just they talk so say now waiting you they want for life, now waiting you need for life. No man go do one with you. Even that Igbo man no go do one with you. These days now, may I tell you, may where they come they see now is Yuri. If you feel the greet person, say na boy self. They marry or they friend you. You even they greet another boy, their eye don't change. Because why did they work? They work. They not send your money. Even if you go, they give her money. You go see they shop your money, they beat you. You give man money or you not give man money, you must follow the rules of marriage. You dey hear me so? Go see Mercy Johnson. You not swag rich her. You not get nyash rich her. You not find rich her. As she married once, all those are mini skirts. She throw away everything. Come off from. She enter kitchen. You know, see, I said, also food she dey cook. She even get YouTube where she dey upload cooking videos. Put she not dey do Oshelenge again. Oh. She get money. Oh. She get money before she married. But when she married, she surrender. Ijore. You without your chicken change when you steal from salt and water member hands, you no go fit use and buy man. Man go only chop that money. They go leave you. Not let your story come be like the story where we don't hear for this media. As they give the boy money rich, the boy still base. Not let your story come be like that, Yore. Money no they buy, waiting man need oh. Man go collect that money for your hand. He go take go marry waiting he wants. The same thing will do you. The same thing will do you. It's better for you to get good character. They ask your husband money. Than may you get all this mindset of ashewo for licking me licking. Man go they wash pint for you. You go wear the pint. They go knock another bola. Because of say you know they ask the man money. Ijore. Hey. Who be your teacher? Who they teach you? You go to bar finish oh. 46 years now, 4 years remain oh. Once you don't enter 50 or 40, your waist don't break. It don't finish. Forget say 50 years for you to see the year like this. We gay. Now see. Agitu we call J. EJ agitu we. No so that they call you mommy. EJ. Even as you did, now your head don't white finish. Your real head don't white finish. Definitely a two-way are white in it. Not anybody won't hear me. Now you see get this character. Imagine say this woman get children. Or you can't get girl picking. Wait till you won't teach your children. Wait till you won't teach your daughters. You say because they are mama and mommy yere. So because of that one, they fit do anything where they like. Make their husband they wash pint for them. Make they take go they knock bola aside. Their husband go your day. They your married they 10 good years. Now their husband go they cook for them. You know where you me. You they do me. Just you get people around you. Make they look you well. Because any me beg about when I be like say they know they see am. Me na madness me they see for your eye or nothing else. Na him because everything where you they talk, you know, add up. Look this all social media. Even Monica also that one now. Monica, she still they cook. All of us they see am. Oliver. Look round. Look all your fellow women presenter. You know where you lay your own back character from. All of them, they cook for their husband. All of them. Both the one way don't born, the one way never born. You know they see them. No be your mates. They shatter bush meat come from Nigeria. Till they cook for man. Ijore. So you they find the man where you no go kitchen. Where you no go give food. Where you no go eat. No wonder. No wonder you still be old tele for street, no husband.
I want me to
Hello,
but the 1,000 euro, I don't do that. Because here what we wear, many things, but or can you salary when me, so that you make an even a ton away. And where do I mean 2,000 euro? Where is the Kenny 1,000 euro me? They got ton away. Yeah, we in our salary we go marwaro. I want to money one that I met you at the year. He understand the way me bunu we zigoji or maybe you trouble one who or work by the pay family way. Oh what
Iyore, with your speech, Ogun awo vi ogun eseleke. Uwe gun awe vo vi ogun eseleke. So in every aspect of help, thanks for joining my lady Betty. When woman fit help or support man, you know they there. Who is taking this this lady advice? Una get me? Thank you, say to you, my lady. Ijure kia. In all aspects, when woman fit support man with different ways, give man better food, pamper your husband, they respect your husband. You say if your husband they talk, you go they talk. You say man don't feel they talk, make you quiet. You talk many things. You say if the man they work, now you go hold the bank card. There is everything. The man not even get you secret or anything. Now you go. Now you be the husband because of your shingon money, because of your shingon change. I pray may you meet your meter. I pray make you meet your meter. Many men will come to you now because you don't already talk the type of character where you need. They will pretend for no. So Igbo man, that man don't chop, he don't belleful. Igbo man don't chop, he don't belleful. She's talking out of sense. Yes, now. You go jam man where go come meet you. You go they pretend follow you. You go they do all these things follow you. So that you go feel show and where all your money there and everything. We're not going to go out. Before you go sign paper, you go sign check, everything. You go disarm you, go abandon you. Because it be like say you don't know what it be. I want to call her. You know, say if some people like some marriage now or some relationship, yeah. Man and woman feel still sit down, they'll just see the gist. They gist about their past life. Now they get me. Though they gist about their past, like you know, things where don't happen to them, things where they don't pass through, the reason why they're supposed to stay together. You understand? With this type of Iyore marriage, nothing serious. Now just if the man need money, go take. Why Iyore go the Ashawo follow everywhere they go. Ashawo never still come up for Iyore eye. Because the way Iyore they talk, she don't even get that mentality of say, okay, what about the man who later get money past you call? In the nearest future, it dey happen like that. You go no man, you no get one slippers. Now you they give her money, no problem, but you they cheat. You they carry, you don't put money for your head though. You they pint where they wash or everything where they do for you. You they use that, they knock, they go. The man go they come for work, you know go see food. God go come do and say that man go come reach tomorrow. You go come even reach, say go come reach past you. You know the which assurance you get, say that marriage go size you. Even if that time maybe you don't do 70 years. Or you don't even do 59 years. Which assurance you get, say that marriage go size you. So your own are just money. That is why. Because you too like money. You too like money. The audio when Corita also played that day now, it was all about money. It was all about money. Money here, money there, money. Here you go to your born where. Abi we are money you go like money. If you buy Nigeria, they will still throw you for granted with nothing. Empty empty, everything na vanity upon vanity. So when you come fit say na only that one you go fit take make man happy, wey e be say na only wetin only beneath the talk say if I na ye come or woman, you no fit cook. I believe say by now you no go sabi cook. I no talk am just now. Thank you, my lady. Eh? Wey be say na food wey person chop for e belle na be you. Well, Akoni, you just the flat they go. This one go wash pant, you take go knock this one. You sit down for bed, they'll come give you food there. Yes, Yuri. She's looking for a rich and educated man. With this her character. With this her character. Edio yami. Hew. I owe the shit for her.
I salary no be ami. Emi no gboma ba hero. Anna wakin abi yeke. Oteme la tamame o ta fun we meni go no me we wa go me. We ma imeni go no mi. Maybe no ya lui go ge. Imagine no ya lui go ge. It's true. You may not believe this advice. In marriage you are if you are with the right person. Ya never see ya marriage. O ta fin ya we ra we ri kin. Ame bi owe. Wa friend mo wo re pe ya friend o ma wo bo me le
Wo se we na igbo wa by now. You should shut up your mouth and get inside. Your presentation is not making any sense. Said o me fi am me jore. You should la wale we amuwe. Una ye wetin you dey talk your smart. Abuna no dey hear. This woman dey crazy so. Hey, Asha will not get direction. Una hear wetin she talk? Let me take it back. He said exactly when she and initiate with bad routine. You understand? Mona, listen, I want to take her back.
relationship
Mona, see what you already give people.
wakin
Ma, you take her, say me the ya advice. Mona, listen.
ya ton awe ya agui ina ge salary we go maruaro akon we money one naira mechu adie ike he understand the way me bunu we zigoji or we me yo to wa no or work pa we pay family we o ko ma na ye salary no pe ami emi no gbo ma ba hero anna wakin abi yeke oteme la tamame o ta fun we meni go no me we wa go me we ma imeni go no mi maybe no ya lu go ge. Imagine no ya lui go ge. It's true. You may not believe this advice.
Now advice she said she dey give her. She want continue the advice. This particular place now I'm gonna open her ear. Wanna hear her.
If you are with the right person. Yeah, never see ya marriage. Or that thing ya we ra we ri I may be aware. Wa friend mo we re ya friend o ma wa wo bo me. Men le relationship no ne nyaka.
Eh? Yes. The way she even the which man want can show woman account. Man wey be say he go wash pint to give woman. Man wey be say the work self where you dey use empty belly they go. You know they eat. You go dey go house. Woman sit down for bed on my level. Then that kind of man, now if moth go end, you go meet the woman say, oh, you know they see man, let me tell you guys one thing you don't know. Man, you know fit force man to bend like you know fit bend man by force, like you dey twist her with if you like fight. Now you know he go beat you. Blow your eye, blow your nose. Every day go they blow you. You know fit force smart to turn out to wait till you want. No. Never. Useless woman like this one. You want advise your man with empty belly. I be when the man she say other guys they knock you all over the streets. Now you go come take calm down for you. Come they tell you say how much they pay him. No man they do one. No man they do one. If your man must loyal to you, you will be that woman, you go loyal times 10. Go and check. I don't see people marriage. I've seen a lot of people. That one not mean say they know they quarrel. That one not mean say they know they argue. It's normal. I know say sometimes if two people even to stay house, they will they fed up for each other. They will they fed up with each other. But that one a normal thing. But say house where woman no calm. Now area people go see area people. Now go scatter the marriage. House where woman no come. Now area people go scatter the marriage. Because now every day people go to they tell the man say, this woman they use juju for her. This woman you too they do this man. This woman they punish this man. This woman they do like this. This woman you know they let this man rest. Before you know it, your home don't already divide. Man will be safe if you come for work in the night. Now you go come take go they cook. Then if they come pay her. You where you know the way you sit down top of bed.